Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let us start with the new topic, determinants. So before I'm going to start this topic, if you don't know matrices, you cannot understand determinants. So pause this video, go through my playlist and you can see all the videos which concern to the matrices topic. Later, you come to the next topic, that is determinants. Generally, determinants is the extension of matrices. According to Karnataka State Board syllabus, in this topic will carry 12 marks, out of which one question for 1 mark and one question for 2 marks and one question for 5 marks and one question for 4 marks. According to your syllabus, we will study introduction, determinants of order 1, 2 and 3, properties of determinants, area of the triangle, minors and cofactors, adjoint and inverse of the matrix, system of linear equations. So what is the use in our day-to-day life? Generally, we know that in two-dimensional geometry, so there is a coordinate system. If they have given 3 points, we need to verify whether these 3 points are collinear or not with the help of determinants. See, we know that collinear means what? All points lie in the same line. Then only we can call it as these 3 points are collinear. If it does not lie on the same line, it is not a collinear. Such kind of quotients we can solve with the help of determinants. And the major thing is we can also calculate the area of the triangle. In earlier classes, means from 5th, 6th, we have to find the area of the triangle, that is half into length into breadth, isn't it? But we cannot apply this such kind of formulas because we are applying only in geometrical cases. But they have given length and breadth. But if they have given some vertices, if they have given this is the one vertices, second vertices and third vertices, but with the help of determinant we can also calculate the area of the triangle. And the major thing is the previous topic, that is matrices. We have find the inverse of the matrix, isn't it, with the help of elementary transformations. With the elementary transformations, in case of 2 cross 2, okay, it is okay, but in case of 3 cross 3, the elementary transformation get difficult for us to calculate the inverse of the matrix. But with the help of determinant we can easily calculate inverse of the matrix. The major thing is system of linear equation, the most important. In case of linear equation, remember one thing, linear equations means ax plus b equal to, ax plus b equal to 0. This is our linear equation with one variable, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is linear equation with two variables. Remember one thing, those variables are x and y, two variables, unknown variables. This is only one variable, that is x. But in case of two variables, we can find the values of x and y with the help of cancellation method, isn't it? For example, a1 b1 y, then a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. With the help of cancellation, we are multiplying with a2 here, multiplying with a1, then easily we can cancel these two things, and later we can easily calculate the value of y, and substituting value of y in equation number 1 or equation number 2, then we get the value of x. But but with the help of determinants we can also calculate linear equation with two variables or three variables. See here, what is the use of to calculate the solution? because the solution will have two kinds, that is unique or infinite. ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. For annual examination purpose, for 5 marks, the system of equation in this bit will carry one question, that is 5 marks. For 4 marks, that the bit is properties of determinants. For 2 marks, area of the triangle, or else calculate minors and cofactors. For adjoint and inverse, these two bit will be come across in system of linear equations. Okay. The definition of determinants. Remember one thing. So to the word is every square matrix. If we are going to be define a determinants, the matrix should be square. I told you square means what? This is not a square. This is a arrangement of an arrays. The order is same. This is called square matrix. Okay. If order is differ, it is only matrix, but we cannot say square matrix. Be careful. But in this bit, we are using only square matrix of A is equal to Aij. Either it may be 1 cross 1 or 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 or 4 cross 4. According to your syllabus, they have mentioned only 3 cross 3. There is no 4 cross 4 matrix. Of order is n. If they say order is 1, it means 1 cross 1. If they have given order is 2, it means what? 2 cross 2. If they said order is 3, it means what? 3 cross 3. So be careful. According to determinants, we are using only square matrix. We can associate a number. The number should be real or complex, called determinant of the matrix A, and it is denoted by so in symbolically, so don't say it is modulus of A. Be careful. So this is a symbol of determinant. Okay, in this topic, the whole bit we are going to referring, this is our determinant of A, or else we can say det of A. Det means determinant. One question will be arise in our mind, how we got the word determinant, isn't it? Determinant ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಹೆಸರು? ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಡ್ಬಿಡಮಂತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ A is equal to just I will take square matrix. Be careful. Square matrix with 2 cross 2. A, B, C, D. This is our matrix. So this matrix has to be converted into determinants like A, B, C, D. This is the form of determinant. Okay. The difference is this is our matrix and this is our determinant. Again, one more example. Example number 2. A is equal to, just I will take the matrix 1, 2, 4, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is our matrix. But I am going to make it as determinant. It means in symbolically we should write here determinant. Don't write A. If you write A, this is a matrix. It is not a determinant. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕಲಿ 1, 2, 4, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is our determinant of A. Okay. So these remarks are most important for a matrix. Determinant of A. A read has determinant of A. Don't say modulus of A. That's why I have written here not modulus of A. Only square matrices are used in determinants. The definition of determinants will be indicated to every square matrix. And the values of the determinant may be positive, negative or zero. That is should be real number. So later we will discuss with the third remark. After expansion of 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. Okay. The question arises as how so how we got the word determinant, isn't it? Generally I am going to write here, this is my system of equation, that is an linear equation with 2 cross 2. So this can be represented as, see here, a1, b1, a2 and b2. This is into x and y is equal to c1 and c2. So if I'm going to multiplying these two matrices, we get the system of first equation. See here, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. See here, it means what? The system of equations we can also be represented as a of x equal to b. So what it indicated, this system of equation has unique or not. Our intention is the values of x and y is unique or not. Is determined by number a1 b2 minus a2 b1. All the values, it depends on the condition a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this value represented the solution is unique or not. The word is determined. So the word determined come to the word is determinant. So this is the basic things, the naming determinant. Okay. Now expansion of determinants, most important. If you don't know expansion of order, so only according to a textbook, only 1 cross 1 or 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3. If you don't know these three expansion, it is complicated to prepare the topic determinants. So be aware of this topic. Okay, just I will take the example. Example number 1. If A is equal to, that is A. How we are going to be expanding this 1 cross 1? First of all, the given matrix has to be converted into determinants. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. is equal to what here? This is A. This is the value. I told you this value either positive, negative or 0. Okay. Example number 2. If A is equal to matrices of minus 3. Okay. This is 1 cross 1. Be careful. So if I am going to write here of minus 3, most of the student will write the answer is 3. It is wrong. It is not modulus of minus 3. It is our determinant of minus 3. It means what? The value is only minus 3. Okay. Now example number 3. A is equal to unknown variable x. What is the determinant of x? Don't write here order. Is equal to what here? The value is x. Just I am going to remove the determinant. The value is x. Okay. Later. Now determinant of order is 2. If order is 2, I will take the example A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now our intention is, first thing is just I am going to make it as determinant form 1, 2, 3, 4. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ತದನಂತರ ನೋಡಿ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನಾದರೂ 2 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 ಇಂಟು 1 ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇಂಟು 4 ಲೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ನಾನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ನಾನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 3. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 4 ಇಂಟು 1 ಈಸ್ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 2 ಈಸ್ 6. What is the value? 4 minus 6 is minus 2 be the resultant. This is the value of the determinant. ನೋಡಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Example number 2. If A is equal to 1, minus 3, 2 and 4. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Now, what is our first rule? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು? ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರು? 1 ಇಂಟು 4 ಈಸ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲೇಟರ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕೀಗ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 2 ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 3. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ಸೈನು ಸಹ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 2 ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 4 minus into minus is plus 6 is equal to how much? That is 10. Okay, one more example. The third example. A is equal to 5, 0, 3 minus 2. The first thing is just I am going to make it as in the form of determinant. That is 5, 0, 3 minus 2. Now simplify here. Determinant of A, just write here determinant of A is equal to, our intention is to multiply the diagonal elements. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 minus. Now multiply non-diagonal elements. 3 into 0, that is 0, is equal to how much? Minus 10. In the next class, we will discuss with determinant of order is 3. Thank you for watching this video.